Good morning. I'm back in Lanzarote. I'm staying again at Las Gaviotas. This time we're staying in block 2, so we're going to have a walk around to that so I can show you where there is. This one here on my left now is Las Gaviotas 1. I think there's a total of 7 or 8 blocks. I'll put a little diagram up on the screen to show you where they all are. Right across the road from the beach. In between the blocks 1 through to 4, there's these gardens. So I'm going to take a walk up through here. Just point out the bungalows there is Gaviotas 4 with the Hotel Beatrice behind it. Lovely maintained gardens here, and you can see the mountain in the background there, I hope. There's some more of the apartments, Las Gaviotas. And if we take a left here, the apartments on the right is block 2. This is where we're currently staying at. And straight ahead is Matagorda shopping centre. These are the superior apartments. They have aircon, little terrace, supplied with some beds. Shopping centre right there, so really close to the shopping centre. Or just take a walk down there and you're at the ocean. There we go, we're at Las Gaviotas 2. And there's the pool area. There was a snack bar here, but it's not longer open. I don't think it's been open since COVID. I believe there's 23 apartments in this block. Plenty of sunbeds, never seen anybody reserve them or whatever. And the apartment there at the end is where I'm currently staying, apartment 213 on this corner plot. I should be doing a tour of that, so please keep an eye out for that video. And that's my short tour of Las Gaviotas 2. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.